everyone, welcome to Infinity Capital. My name is Raj, and today we are going to analyze MTAR Technologies. This is a fresh IPO which came in a couple of months back. So MTAR Technologies is a company which provides manufacturing solutions to the civil nuclear power program, Indian space program, Indian defense, global defense, a couple of global clean energy companies as well. So this company was formed in 1970, and they have around 8 to 9 units wherein they make these machineries or small products that is required by the by ISRO, by the Indian defense management as well. Apart from that, if you see, their clients are ISRO and NPCIL, DRDO, Bloom Energy, Rafael. We bought Rafael planes, Elbit. So these are some top companies that they cater to, and these are the segments: civil nuclear program, space program, defense and aerospace. These are the marine other segments. They cater to the marine sector also. So these are the sectors that they cater to. So it's more than a 50-year-old company, and they are catering to one of the top institutions in India. So this is the reason why I got interested in this stock. Now let's do a quick analysis from the fundamental perspective. It's a small cap company, 3,000 crore market cap, and if you see, the promoters hold 50% stake. Good number of FII and DII participation. Public holds around 22-23% of the total shares. This is the only number of shares that is out to be traded on a regular basis. They have around 9 crores of cash flow, operating cash flow. Okay. Balance sheet looks pretty good. They don't have much borrowings. 12 crores on a 3,000 crore market cap company is pretty much nothing. They have around 191 crores of cash on the balance sheet. If you would like to do a detailed search, you could go read the annual report and find out more about the company. So from a brief overview, these numbers look very good. I'm looking at a 6 to 8 months of investment period. So usually I don't go too in depth. I do an overall analysis of the stock. There is a technical point involved too, which we will look at in some time. So if you see, the sales have been rising, and the profits have also risen as compared to last year. Margins have also improved, so these numbers are very good. Quarter on quarter basis, if you'll see, the sales have risen, the profits have almost doubled. So these are the reasons why I'm looking at the stock to invest for a short term period for the next 6 to 8 months. Okay. Now let's look at the chart. So there's not much trading history to look at. Stock got listed in March, so it's basically been going sideways. Okay, so I will be accumulating this stock within this range. The stock is basically trading within this range. I will be accumulating the stock within this range, and looking at these encouraging numbers, I'm expecting at least a 30 to 40% up move from here. So this is the analysis, guys. The numbers look good. It's a good company. It's catering to some of the top institutions in India. My guess is that this stock should do well in coming 6 to 8 months. A quick disclaimer, guys, this video is for educational purposes only. So please consult your financial advisor before you want to buy and sell any shares. This is not a buy-sell recommendation. Thanks a lot, guys.